Hello, friends. I'm glad to see you again. Summer is the perfect time to swim in the sea. And our friends from the Netherlands are calling us to visit their ship. I wonder what adventures await us today. Let's spot the puzzle together. I think so we need level medium. Yes, medium. Okay, let's go. Number 1. We need 4 corners. Corners number 1, this, 2, this, 3, this, and 4, this. And let's go. Corners. I see corners. And I think so these peach puzzles are these. No, friends, it's not right. Okay, maybe this. Oh, no, it's not right. Okay, this. Yes, friends, look, it's right. And as Jack say, yo-ho. Cool. Okay, corners number 2. Where is corners? Corners. Oh, look, friends, it is corners. Then I don't know where is place for these peach puzzles. These are these. Okay, maybe this. No, it's not right. It's not place for these corners. Maybe this. Oh no, friends, I was wrong. And variant number 3. This, yay, yo-ho. Cool. Corners number 3. These corners and 2 variants plates for him. These are these. And I think so these. No, it's friends, it's not right. And this is right. Yes! Yo-ho! Cool. And corners number 4. I see corners number 4. And this place for this peach puzzle. Yes! Look, friends, this is right. Now we have 4 corners. Yo-ho! Jakey, look, we did it. Oh yeah. Now we need all peach puzzles with one side line. All peach puzzles with one side line. Okay. Peach puzzles number 1, this. We need peach puzzles with line left side. Oh, friends, look, these peach puzzles with one side line and left. And I think so this peach puzzle for these plates. Oh yes, look, it's right. Cool, I like it. Okay, and now we need peach puzzles beside one side line, right side. Oh, friends, look. Oh yeah, and I think so it's very, very nice and right. Yes, oh yo-ho. It is right. Cool. Oh yeah. Now we have 2 side puzzles. And we need 2 peach puzzles with line this. Okay. I see 1 peach puzzles and 2. These peach puzzles, 2 variants. This or this. I think so this. Not, it's not right, friends. This peach puzzle for these plates. Yes, look, now it's right. And this peach puzzles, this. Yes! Oh, amazing. Oh, wow, friends. Look, we did it. Well, once side puzzles. Cool. And now we need 2 peach puzzles for Yes, for this side. And I think so. I see 1 peach puzzles and 2. These peach puzzles. We have 2 variants. These are these. And I think so. This plate for these peach puzzles. Yes, look, friends, it's right. Yay! It's very, very cool. And these peach puzzles for these plates. Oh yeah! Now it's right. Cool, friends, look, we did it. Now we have all peach puzzles with 1 sideline. Yeah, 4 side. Wow, it is cool, Jakey. Yo-ho! Friends, oh my friends pirates. Now we need only 2 peach puzzles in the center. And okay, these peach puzzles. These are these plates. I think so. This. Yes. Look, friends, it's right. And well, peach puzzles for this plates. And very, very interesting. What are you doing, friends?
I'm on it, Jake! Pixie dust away! Yeah! Bucky, hide! We'll catch up to you later! Come on, mateys! Time to out-sneak that snook!
Oh, thank you, friends, for your help, for your attention. And Jack and friends from Neverland, thank you for your interesting adventures. Please, friends, if you liked it, like this video and subscribe. And see you soon. Bye. Yo-ho!